And now we show the operation. First, turn on the total power. And with the screen. And have the language choose. First, we choose 你操作中文啊 Chinese.
比如说你要设个500场，可以点
This for the length set up. You can set up the length you want to cut. This for the speed.
这速度比如30好，点起来以后好就可以。
And we show any other needed to set up. This we show the English. This is the records. Each one, if you want to calculate new records, you can clear, press for seconds. 6秒钟 for 5 or 6 seconds. Now we show how to load the paper. You need to make traction to pull to make these two traction roller separate. This one control this roller to separate. Same here. Traction. When you're loading, need to separate. Now we show how to loading. And the sensor checking the edges the paper. 给他看一下，知道了。
你就把这两个调节，边松紧边调节跟它说一下。
And this one can control the balance of the paper. To control the tension of the paper. Two sides can adjust.
下面这个也可以。
Also here can check in the balance of the paper.
这个说的。现在说材料厚的话弯掉了是吧
And this one is control adjust the paper. If the paper is bending, you can adjust here. 点动让你拍一下。
怎么样？讲那个过来拍一下。
And when you press this yellow buttons, can make the paper inky. I'll show how to load in the paper.
Right.
先切出来吧，先切出来。
你就是说把这个调节，两边调节，里面调节，再是把它这个调。
Now we show the to the punches. For example, for adjust the wheel, you can check in, adjust the position. For example, now this is not so good. You can make the position a little out. When you finish adjusting the position, you can lock by this wheel. Consider. So this wheel can adjust the punching distance. Now you can check now the punching is good. Adjust this heat. This one, this pallet under this knife screw. You see the screw? This position. Adjust this pallet under this knife, this glue, the black glue. So this is best position. Then we can start cutting the machine.
什么那个？先把它介绍一下。
反正这个可以调左右，这个调前后嘛。
对，基本上等它过来吧，过来以后往这边。
And this one can adjust the position of the left or right, so you can adjust the position you want.
11个公分。
Now we're checking cutting the length for the rounding.
117。
So you can measure the size, then adjusting your position to match the position of the cutting. So we can move the punching mode.
将来把它锁住。你再切几张，如果还有误差的话，这里微调调一下。
这里客户应该懂的了，拍一下他就知道自己调。对啊，他自己调怎么调就知道了。Now we cutting.
这里还有几张，还要往前一点点。1.5米了。
Now we see it's not so correct the position. We need to adjust them. After finish adjusting the position, we adjust the stacker.
这是不是要放下来一点？这样。
And two side stack, and in front, just get close to the side of the paper for stacking. So now the machine can cutting. This vibration just.
手动自动是怎么的？我下去是吧？下降是吧？对。你下去快点，我把这个过去。